Hello everyone. Today's another blog post of Dear Chad. Again, my dream is to help everyone be just a little bit more agile and make their work life a little bit better. So today's question is: somebody emailed me and said my my team during the retro decided that they didn't want to have a physical board anymore, and they wanted to put everything into an electric system, Jira Rally version 1, and they were wondering if this was okay. I have a couple thoughts about that, so let's kind of go through them. So here's what a normal team would look like. Pretty transparent. You can see they've got sticky notes, being able to write on the glass in this example. Here's another team's board. You can see kind of on the left is stories, on the right is task. What I've kind of realized is that teams kind of go through three steps or three phases. The first phase is something like where it's only whiteboards. That probably lasts usually somewhere between 3 and 6 months, and then somebody says, all of these sticky notes are falling off. We need to do something different. So then the team kind of goes to this second phase where they go to electronic only, and that usually lasts, again, normally 3 to 6 months. And usually the team start complaining that the tool is not getting the reports that they want. They can't see it. They can't touch it. They can't feel this. They can't feel things. So usually, what happens after 3 to 6 months, usually the teams go through what I would refer to as kind of a hybrid approach, and this is where most teams regularly end up at. And I actually prefer that this is kind of the sweet spot. So if your teams can go through each of these phases and then hopefully land here somewhere in the middle, I think that's usually what works best. So if your team wants to go to an electronic board, that's okay. Let them try it. Let them experiment with it. Maybe they'll like it, and maybe they'll stay there. But what I've seen is most teams usually end up with some sort of hybrid. All right, those are my thoughts. Thanks, everyone.